System errors causing the USB Utility Library DLL crashes in localized USB interface logic. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To kick off the manual repair for USB Utility Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the USB Utility Library, a specialized utility library used by several proprietary applications like specialized hardware tools or older game consoles management software to manage localized USB data packet parsing and device descriptor retrieval. If missing, the parent software will report USB device communication error or fail to recognize connected hardware during the initial handshake. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The USB Utility Library DLL library is a critical dependency of the Localized USB interface logic framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you receive the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the USB Utility Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for USB Utility Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for USB Utility Library. If you've regained access to USB Utility Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.